Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make peanut butter bars. These just taste like peanut butter cups, but even better, so let's get started. Place the graham crackers into a large resealable plastic bag. Press out the excess air and seal the bag. And crush them with a rolling pin to make coarse crumbs. Then place the crumbs into a medium bowl. Then add the melted butter and mix them until they're combined. Then add in the peanut butter. You can use smooth or crunchy. And mix it in until it's combined. Then add in the powdered sugar and mix them until they're combined. Pour this mixture into an ungreased 9x13 inch baking pan and spread it out until it's even. To make the chocolate topping, add the milk chocolate into a medium bowl and add in the peanut butter and melt them either in the microwave or over a double boiler. Pour it over the top of the peanut butter mixture and spread it out until it's covering the top. And place them into the fridge for at least an hour. And that's how to make peanut butter bars. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.